Hey there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. Hey, hi, hello. Okay, no, this is not the big announcement video. This is not it. However, I wanted to have a conversation with you guys. So one of the things that I have noticed over the past few weeks is that my viewership has gone way down. Now, I'm not saying that I'm not grateful for the 150 or so of you guys that are watching consistently, but moving my planning videos over here, I think is what has killed this channel. And so what I've decided to do, the main reason why I brought the videos over here is because I was getting in my head that I had to post 3 days a week over on that channel too to help it grow. And that's just not the case. And so starting whenever this video goes up, I'm going to go back to planning with the elf. So that's where my plan with me's and my bullet journal stuff will be over there. I'm thinking about doing some body doubling videos where I kind of like put 3 or 4 videos together so you can just have it in the background. You guys will have to let me know if that's something you would like over here too. So making another content shift. I know. It's frustrating to me. It's probably frustrating to you guys too. And you don't have to go over there unless you just want to. I think I have like 374 subscribers. So it's not a big channel. I may or may not grow. But I can post my weekly plan with me's over there and go ahead and keep this channel to card making techniques, etc. So this week you're going to see a Project Use Your Stuff intro. I'm going to be doing, we're going to start doing birthday cards. And it's going to be all birthday all the time for the next however long I get until I get tired of it. You're going to see some technique videos. One of them this week, we're going to be doing some 1-layer stamping. And then I also have a new coloring medium. I want to test some less expensive coloring mediums from Amazon and share those with you as well, because I color with my Copics. I've used my Chromatech markers a few more times. I really want, they have a 100 and something set for like $70. Oh, they're so pretty. And I love them so much, but I'm like, Misty, there's so many other things that you can slow down. And it's like, I could only justify it if I do like use them like at least 4 times a month. So anyway, that's a story for a different day. But yeah, so I bought a couple of coloring mediums that are like $10 or less. And I want to bring back more kind of not necessarily technique focused, but beginner friendly, like walking you step-by-step education. I've talked about this now for the past year or so, where we're not buying as much, we're using what we have, but also sharing new techniques or updating old techniques or sharing, those kinds of things. So that's really what this channel to be about. I've mentioned before that I'm having surgery at the end of May, but we're going to be 2 days a week over here until then. Hopefully going forward, I will still be able to post at least a couple of videos a week while I'm recovering. But I'm here 2 days a week on this channel, 1 day a week on the Playing with the Elf channel. I have my At Home with Misty channel if you're interested in following along with my health journey. And then if you like makeup, then I have my Misty channel. So I am kind of all over the place and I feel so much better about this. Again, I had kind of talked myself into I had to have 2 videos a week or 3 videos a week on the Playing with the Elf channel. I'm like, no, Misty, just do your weekly Playing with me's. When you have your monthlies, do your monthlies and go from there. So that's what we're going to do. So if you want to follow the planning stuff, that is over on that channel. I'll probably move the videos I have here unless I can't download them in a high resolution. We'll have to wait and see. So that is kind of the big thing that's happening. And like I said, we're going to do a Project Use Your Stuff introduction this week. I have a basket full of stuff that I've never touched. And we're going to be working our way through that, through some paper, etc. So if you saw the one for my Valentine card series, then you're going to kind of know what you're going to see. If you want to see it, I mentioned in the video that you're going to see, I mentioned that if you want to see what I ended up using for the Valentine card series, let me know, because I did end up filming that, but I wasn't sure where to put it. And then, let me tell you, there's so much stuff to go through for the birthday stuff that it was like a 20-minute video. And that one will either be coming Monday or Wednesday. I'm not sure which. So yeah, anywho, that's it. Just a little bit of a content shift. We are getting closer to when I can make my announcement. So if you haven't already, be sure to sign up for my newsletter. It's listed down below. You're going to get a free PDF that's all about how to pick patterns for your cards. You can use it with your scrapbooking, etc. What else? That's really about it. I'm having a giveaway. I posted my last Stamp Anything design team project last Friday. And I'm giving away that whole set of cards for that week. So the Titanic themed card. So if you're interested in that, all you have to do is go leave a comment on that video and be signed up for the newsletter. I'm going to pull a winner from the newsletter. Okay, I think that's it. Hopefully this made sense. So planning stuff is moving back to the planning channel. I'm going to do my best to kind of... I have been doing my best to do some like beginner friendly, zero stamping, no die cutting videos, but then also doing some that are a bit more advanced. And I do plan to keep on doing that. I also plan to have a variety of cards, not just all, because my style leans heavily toward whimsical and cute, and you will still see that, but also throw in a couple, like there's a really pretty floral stamp I picked up from Picket Fence Studios. They do the big 6x6 stamps that I love. And I was like, I really want a new flower, and they had a couple of them, and they were on sale, so I picked up, I'll have a little haul of that in the next couple of days. It literally shipped from Louisiana on Monday. I am filming this on Sunday, and I won't get it till at least Tuesday because tomorrow's President's Day. So anyway, that's it. That's it. So just a quick update. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling productive. I am excited about this birthday. I am considering doing a birthday kit. You guys will have to let me know if that's something that you would be interested in. I may do it physical, I may do it digital, I may do one of each. I haven't played with my silhouette in a while, so we'll have to see. I'm going to make some stickers for my bullet journal. I'm redoing my entire bullet journal setup. So yeah, it's still going to be strawberry shortcake, but I'm going to completely redo it for show. So anywho, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. And like I said, I'm not complaining that I'm not getting views. I just know that bringing the planning stuff over here, YouTube doesn't like it when a video doesn't get very many views. Then it just will not show you at all to anybody because it thinks that nobody wants to watch you. So again, I did it to myself, and that's okay. Again, I would like to hit 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but it's not, you know, the worst thing in my life if it doesn't happen. But it's nice to have a goal to work towards. And I just want to make sure that I'm consistent. That's the main thing, is consistency. So yeah. So anyway, I hope you have a good day, that week, wherever you are. If you're so today's Plan With Me. I'm filming this on February the 16th. I'm going to try to get this up on February the 16th. And the Plan With Me video will be on the Playing with the Elf channel, which will be linked down below. Okay? Okay. Anywho, say hi in the comments. Let me know what you think. And if there's anything you would like to see with the whole birthday thing, I'm excited, and I hope that you are too. So I hope you have a good day, night, week, wherever you are. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the newsletter, all of the things. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.